What is the appropriate age to wean a child? Current conventional wisdom recommends that an adult infant be weaned at around 6 months of age. But that has not always been the case. There have been other methods to determine the appropriate age to wean a child, and we're going to go over just a few of those today. One method has to do with relating the weight at birth. And the way of determining this basically says that when a child has reached 3 to 4 times their birth weight, it is then time to wean them. In this case, it would yield an age for boys of around 27 months, and for girls around 30 months. So when their birth weight, they are 3 to 4 times greater than their birth weight, they should then be weaned. Another method that's been used to determine the appropriate time to wean has to do with their adult weight. What this means is that when the child has reached relatively 1/3 of their assumed adult weight, whatever that would be, normal for their people group, when they've reached about 1/3 of that expected adult weight, then they should be weaned. And this yields an age for children between 4 and 7 years old. And then the last one we're going to look at today, though there are others, is some have said that the time to wean a child is when their molars have come through their gums. At this point in their development, their adult immune system is in place, and therefore they no longer need the protection provided by their mother's immune system. So when the molars have come in and they reach that sufficient age, this yields us an age of between 2.8 and 6 years old. Actually, that first age is wrong. It's much closer to that. It's 5.5 years of age to 6 years of age. So once again, the conventional current wisdom is that most mothers should start weaning their children at around 6 months of age, but it is not the only method that's been used historically. 2 based on weight, 3 to 4 times the birth weight, 1/3 of the supposed adult weight, or when the child's molars break through, yielding much longer times before weaning takes place.